Anthro 102. We do it big. Welcome to Anthro 102. We're gonna teach you about what anthropologists do. There was a man named Linnaeus who wanted some order. His ideas even got past the Mexican border. In the end, he decided to call it classification, and now it's spread out through the whole entire nation. Domain, kingdom, phylum, and class. Mammalia is what they used to call us in the past. Order, family, genus, and species. Homo sapiens are the ones that invented racy species. Now it's time to move on to another important man. He talks about traits that you inherit from your fam. DNA allows traits to be inherited, which is probably why you look a little like your parents did. What is homology? You say that you don't know? Well, it has to do with genetic code. The traits that you're made up of, yes, you do inherit. They're similar to your mom, dad, or grandparents. Mendel was the man to test this theory out, so he planted some plants and watched them grow and sprout. The main thing he discovered was the law of segregation. This contradicted all of his expectations. Mendel figured out two things that were involved. The dominant and recessive traits were part of it all. The dominant was clearly expressive, while the missing trait was definitely recessive. The main man, Mendel, invented the Punnett square. This may help you figure out why you have ginger hair. These are the main topics we have covered in 2 weeks. We know your richer brain is sure to peak. Now it's time to go. You have just witnessed the Taylor and Gina show. Okay. I think it was decent.